Major crypto news to talk about in this video, guys. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the latest SEC lawsuit. Are we worried? Are we concerned? Or have the SEC lawsuit kind of stories kind of lost their luster given how we feel about the SEC, given the FIT 21 bill passing through the House, which obviously gives the SEC less power? I'm going to give you guys all the information. That's why you subscribe to this channel. It's why you like this video down below, because we're here every single day. It doesn't matter. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, your birthday, my birthday, Jesus's birthday. We're here. We're here all the time. We do not miss out on anything when it comes to crypto, because we understand time is of the essence until global adoption hits. And this is the opportunity to take full advantage. We've got to be aware of what's going on. So with that being said, hopefully you have smashed that like button, okay? I'm serious. And subscribe to the channel, because the SEC has filed a new lawsuit against Consensus. Now, what does this mean for us as crypto investors? Who is Consensus? We're going to dive into it, okay? We're going to give you everything you need to know right here in this video. Now, on Friday, as they do, right, late Friday, the SEC and Exchange Commission filed a suit against Consensus Software. The SEC is alleging that the company failed to register as a broker, as well as offering and selling unregistered securities. Specifically, the SEC targeted MetaMask swaps. The regulator alleges that Consensus holds itself out as a place to buy and sell crypto assets, recommends trades, as Consensus itself puts it, the best value, accepts investor orders, routes investor orders, handles customers' assets, carries out trading parameters and instructions on the customer's behalf, and receives transaction-based compensation. By its conduct as an unregistered broker, Consensus has collected over $250 million in fees, the suit claims. The SEC says that two of the securities offered by Consensus, Lido and Rocket Pool, are unregistered securities. These two assets, Lido DAO and Rocket Pool. Now, this is a quote from the SEC. Consensus's unregistered offer and sale of the Lido and Rocket Pool securities, as to which it also acts as an unregistered broker, violates the federal securities laws. Indeed, registration statements provide investors with material information about the securities offering and issuer's business and financial condition, so that investors can make informed investment decisions. The claims by the SEC Friday line up with what Consensus has previously said that the SEC alleged in its Wells notice. According to the lawsuit filed by Consensus against the SEC earlier this year, the SEC targeted MetaMask swaps in an investigation, warning Consensus that it may pursue legal action. Last summer, the SEC filed suits against Coinbase and Binance. Of course, at first, this was such a big deal. The regulator alleged that the two also offered and sold unregistered securities. But again, is this a huge make or break kind of thing? Consensus didn't immediately return requests for comment on the suit. Well, here's the thing. We're going to have to wait for more information, because I don't know the specifics, and nobody really does at this point, the specifics of Consensus. Did they try to register similar to how Coinbase did? Now, Coinbase made a ton of efforts. Did Consensus, right? That is the big question. Now, we know there have not been any guardrails put up there, okay, in the market. So companies are just going out there kind of willy-nilly, not knowing what the rules are. And I would guess, more information is going to come out here to see if Consensus had actually tried to request the SEC, had contacted them, etc. But right now, I'm not panicking. I use MetaMask as one of my places to do swaps on the DeFi side of things. And by the way, yes, I handle all of my taxes properly. I track all of these swaps properly, and I have pages and pages of documents. I think this is a really important note. Make sure you do this, because again, there are no guardrails set up, but I want to participate in DeFi, right? As do so many other people. And I think it's frustrating when this stuff comes out, because it shakes a lot of people out. It gets people nervous. But at the end of the day, this is not a make or break thing for me yet. I want to see how this lawsuit plays out. I still use Coinbase, by the way. I still use MetaMask. I still use a lot of the industry standards that are put in front of us. And obviously, from there, keep track of all my transactions, all of them. I have a page, a sheet with every single asset I've ever owned. So That's what I'm doing as a retail investor. I think that's really important. Get yourself a good CPA, get yourself somebody who's really solid and understands crypto. Until these guardrails are up, you just want to make sure you have all your T's crossed and I's dotted, right? To ensure that we are as much as by the book as we can be, given that there is no book to look at, right? But it is frustrating because we're losing ground because we don't have these guardrails set up and because these lawsuits are coming at a time where the market's turning for the better. I don't think this is going to make or break anything in terms of pricing right now. It hasn't really impacted the overall market. The good thing about crypto is it's global, right? This impacts people in the United States, but the crypto market is much bigger than just the United States. Prices are a little bit down, I'm guessing, on some of this news, but nothing too crazy. We're still trending in our same kind of areas here. All right. So Ethereum's still sitting there at about 3,400. Bitcoin still above 60,000, which is very, very important for us as we continue to go on. So more information, I'm sure, will be coming out on this. We'll be right here giving it to you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. That's why you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again. Don't forget to check out Margex too for leverage trading. Unbelievable opportunity right now with Margex because they are doing a free giveaway, free airdrop of a new token called Hamster Token, meme coin. And they are doing that for anybody who signs up using my link and deposits on Margex. There is no KYC right now on Margex as well. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.